Wait, don't eat that. What are you doing? It's not ready yet.
Hi everybody, welcome to another video of Carter Does It. Today, I'm working with my sous chef, Daddy, and today we're going to make Thanksgiving dinner.
Alright. And what's on the menu today?
Chicken, mashed potatoes, yam, mac and cheese, greens, stuffing. What did it say again?
Cheddar Bay biscuits and Brussels sprouts. And then what do we have for dessert?
For dessert, we have apple pie and ice cream.
Alright, so we got the mac and cheese getting ready to get started. We got the hot water going. Looks like our water is boiling, so we can actually get ready to put the rotini in.
I have to put it into this line.
Right, go ahead. You got it. We're going to pour it in there. I think that's it.
Yep.
Alright, cool.
I want to eat noodles from my box.
Go ahead, you can eat the noodles in the box. So you want to let that cook down while we start working on the stuffing, okay? Okay, one of the things we forgot was to have an egg for our stuffing, right? So go ahead, we're going to use that so we can get it in. Good job. Now open it. Yeah, there you go. Gotta go through the process with that mac and cheese because the noodles are ready. We gotta do some stuff where the noodles are hot. Okay?
Make sure you don't hit the pan on me. It's hot. The pan is hot on the bottom.
There you go. I'm gonna pour those in here. Set that to the side. Carter,
Yep.
we need 2 eggs.
Oh, yay.
There you go. Go ahead. Drop that in there. Careful. You gotta pull. It's okay.
Okay, can I mix it up?
Yeah, I'll let you mix the other one. I mixed one already. Next, let's add the cheese.
Everything?
Yeah, the whole thing. Just put it all on the top and then we'll mix it up. Yeah, like that. Good job, Carter.
The customers are gone.
They went for a walk. Alright, Carter, the next part we're going to make the cheese sauce. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, so we need to add some butter to the pot. Butter. Put that in here. Put out the paper. There you go. Alright, cool. So we want to cook the butter down, but we also want to add the seasonings too. Okay? And you see that seasoned butter. Now let's add some milk. Go ahead, pour some in. I'll tell you how much. Keep going. Good job. Keep going. Alright, Carter, and stop. And stir. Good job. Now the most important part, we're gonna add some cheese. So while you're mixing, I'm gonna add some cheese in there, okay?
To be a chef, you gotta be precise and slow.
Take your time, that's right.
Yeah, with the eggs, yeah, you gotta be slower and preciser.
Oh, Carter, that is a fantastic cheese sauce you have there.
It even tastes good.
Yeah? You did your taste test? Alright, cool. So the next part, now that it's hot, we're gonna pour that onto the mac and cheese, okay? Alright. It looks like it's ready. Alright.
So Daddy's doing the holding the handle and pouring it in because the handle's hot for me. It's literally seriously hot.
That's what your sous chef is all for. Right?
Uh-huh.
I'm here for you, chef.
I love you.
Yes, chef. I love you too.
Maybe if you keep this up, you can be the chef.
Ooh, about to get a promotion. I love it.
So here's what it looks like for now, is mixing it. But did I already tell you that it tastes really good?
We just sprinkle the cheese on top. You just make it even, okay?
I'm trying to go like little by little because I don't want to put too much.
But we don't have all day because we gotta get to the next step. That's pretty, Chef Carter. I think this one is ready to go in the oven, okay?
I'm gonna taste it with the cheese. Let's see how it tastes.
If you taste everything, there won't be anything to eat. I'm just joking. And what do we need for the stuffing?
Green and red peppers. Celery.
Ooh.
Onions.
Yeah.
Bouillon.
Oh, we got the bouillon, okay.
And stuffing.
That's right, okay, cool. There's one last ingredient over there.
Butter.
All right, cool. Let's get to work. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Chef. The directions say we need to melt the butter in the pan. So you gotta put that whole stick of butter inside the pot. Sticky, I know. So we melt that first, and then we're gonna add our vegetables. Go ahead, throw that in there. The whole thing. Yeah. We got the onions.
And now celery.
Yep. I'm gonna mix that up. We're gonna cook this until it's translucent. You know what translucent means?
No.
It means when it's a little see-through. Okay? Alright, there we go.
That's a lot of That's a lot.
Then we gotta add the broth too. Come on, add the broth in there. Pour that in there. Careful. Pour it over top. Yeah, it'll spill. There you go. Good job. Alright. Alright, let's mix it together.
Okay.
Add a little muscle to it, so I had to do it for you.
Yeah.
Again, as your sous chef.
It's called a sous chef, not a shoe chef.
I know.
Sometimes I call sushi sushi. Actually, I do actually want it. Hey!
You want to put it in?
Yes.
Alright, cool.
See
There
that.
you go. Nice and rich. Alright, let's switch again.
What does rich mean?
Creamy. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this in here. Make it a casserole.
Why does it look so
We're going to put it in
sad?
the oven.
Okay.
Is it the sound that's satisfying?
No, it's how it looks.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's because you might be hungry.
Yeah. The chef is hungry.
Yeah. We got to finish this so we can feed you and everyone else. Alright, so the next thing is going to go in the oven with the cheese and with the stuffing. So I'm going to cut these up for you.
Arms in the way, I can't see.
Sorry. I'm going to cut these up for you, and then I'm going to let you go ahead and season it. Ooh, look how pretty those are. Okay, now it's time to put some sugar on it. Let's do it. Put some sugar on it, Carter. All on top, then we're going to mix it up a little bit. Then we're going to add some brown sugar on top too. And some vanilla extract.
Yes, vanilla extra.
Yeah, you like vanilla extract.
Yes, I like to taste vanilla in my food. I always do. I think this is
So now we got this sugar on and we don't add that amount of brown sugar. You see how much I have pinched off? That's how much we're going to put in.
Oh, when to stop, I'm scared. When to stop.
Okay. Alright, now we gotta spread that on there too. Okay. Chef, I think we're ready for the stuff that needs to go into the oven. We got the yams, macaroni and cheese, and the stuffing are all gonna go in together. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay?
I gotta open this very carefully.
Go ahead.
I need the air before I
Yeah,
put
the hot air coming out. Alright, Chef. We want to put the aluminum foil on first. Hold on. So these are a little heavy. Do you need me to help you do it?
Well, I can put in this one.
Go ahead, put the stuffing in. You can put the stuffing in. We're going to put that one on. Okay, chef. So that was the stuffing, check. The mac and cheese, check.
Check.
And the yams, check.
Check.
All right. So what else do we still have to make? Mashed potatoes. Now we gotta make some mashed potatoes for you. So let's go ahead and let's make the mashed potatoes, okay? All right. Let's take your potatoes. Let's go ahead and put them inside the pot. So now we let that boil over, okay? Go ahead and season the water, right? Yeah, there you go. That's good. We're gonna drain the potatoes because they're ready.
Yep.
Just take it, bro. There you go. Potatoes on top of the butter. So it melts. There you go. We're gonna add a little milk. Go ahead, add a little bit. It don't gotta be a lot. A little more. Add. It's harder than it looks, isn't it?
Yeah.
You need some help?
No, I got it.
You got it? Yeah, see? I was loosening it up. Good job, Carter.
Mash.
Yeah, see how it's coming through the holes like that?
Sticky.
Just
It's sticky. That is sticky. What is sticky?
Alright, girl. I think we're ready to go. You think so? Alright, let's taste test it. Delish? Alright.
Okay.
Alright, Chef Carter, we gotta check and see how we're looking in here. Ooh, look at that. I think we're ready.
Yeah.
I think we're ready. That looks delicious. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here, let me see the other oven mitts so I can help you.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah, mac and cheese. Looks good to me. So does that stuffing. Yeah, let's pull the stuffing out together. You hold one end, I'll hold the other.
It's hard
Ready?
holding it when we're on there.
Let's put it right there. Yeah.
And the other
Then
one.
we're gonna turn it sideways. Like that. Let's put it on the stove in the middle. You got it? Don't drop it. Pick it up, pick it up. Actually, let me do it. Here we go.
Okay.
Let's take a look at these yams. Carter, you ready?
Yep.
Let's take a look.
Yummy. Yummy. That looks yummy.
Alright, so we're gonna let that sit in there. We're gonna take the cover off and let it keep cooking a little bit.
Why?
Because we're not done yet. You wanna come take a look at that?
Yeah. So they don't
Those
look.
drop biscuits,
They don't look that
they're gonna
good
look
yet.
amazing. We're gonna put them in the oven so they can cook.
They
They
don't
have to
look
cook
that
at 400.
good. 400.
Yeah. So we're gonna wait for the oven to heat up.
Oh my god!
Okay.
So it's gonna be like, boom.
Yeah, it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
We're gonna taste test Chef Carter. Let's see here. It's a little hot. Low for you.
Wait.
It's good, huh? All right, great work. High five. Down low, in the middle. Let's go. Good job. Here we gotta try the mac and cheese. That's fire. Oh man, it's hot. Oh, sorry. Chef Carter, we have to put the cheddar bay biscuits in. All right, come on. All right, so let's go ahead and open that up a little bit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, those yams is bubbling. All right, go ahead, put it all the way down. This one's right.
Daddy,
Yes.
we gotta take the yams out.
All right, let's do it. I think I got it because it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Chef.
Yeah.
I think these are probably some of the best yams we made.
What?
All right, you gotta watch out. I'm gonna put them over there behind you. Carter,
Yes?
can you tell us what we have here now?
We have Brussels sprouts,
Mm-hmm.
mac and cheese,
Mm-hmm.
mashed potatoes,
Mm-hmm.
some yams, jelly beans, and
Those are those cheddar bay biscuits we just talked
cheddar
about.
bay biscuits.
And let's don't forget the greens. Ooh-wee.
Oh, and Mama, what are you doing?
I gotta give it to you. Chef Carter, you did an amazing job today. I think it's time to eat, yeah?
Yes. All the food is ready. Thank you for watching another video of Carter Does It. I hope your family and friends are having a good holiday.